Nakikita mo yun? Kikita mo? Ayun. Grabe. Oh. Lalim, no? Taas na namin. Saan ba sila? Oh. Bakit? Magsalita ka naman. Are you enjoying this moment?
Yes, of course. But I'm too tired of doing this.
But what makes you
Can I have a picture of this view?
for a while? Relaxing, invigorating.
Parang shampoo yun.
Yeah. Looks like shampoo. Takes away all my tiredness. Yeah. Takes away all my tiredness nang nakita ko to. Ang hirap diretso yung English eh.
Uy, picture tayo,
Yeah.
Benji. Picture tayo, please. Oh, look.
Look, wala tayo. Look at that cloud.
Ang ganda. Grabe.
Tubig! Wala nang tubig.
Hello.
Yeah. Kakawala ng pagod, no?
Yeah.
Ganun. Wala lang. Hey,
Times like this. Hey, stop.
it will take away all your tiredness.
You have to speak English.
Yeah. Exhausted. Saan sila?
Hey.
What a good view.
What a beautiful view.
That is great.
Ano sa lalim?
Wala, Akbar. Oh. Pag tumalong ka dyan,
Sigurado patay ka.
hindi ka na makikita ang buhay.
Picture.